the ones who held the line, hands out steady every time. Carried hearts that couldn't stand, tried to heal them with our hands. But every promise we made to keep crossed a piece that cut too deep. Now we're cracked when no one sees, running dry on empathy. Still we say I'm fine, I'm fine, 'cause no one waits for the other kind. I'm pouring from nothing, still giving like love won't break, holding on to the fire till there's nothing left to take. Everybody drinks but nobody stays, they just walk away when the light starts to fade. I'm pouring from nothing, and I don't know how much more I can take. We'll learn to smile through the ache, to comfort others for our own sake. But who holds us when we fall? Who answers when we've given it all? It's a lonely grace to understand the weight of hearts and trembling hands. We wear our care like armor thin, but it cuts deeper going in. Still we say it's fine, it's fine, even when we're out of time. I'm pouring from nothing, still giving like love won't break, holding on to the fire till there's nothing left to take. Everybody drinks but nobody stays, they just walk away when the light starts to fade. I'm pouring from nothing, and I don't know how much more I can take. I've been the calm in every storm, the hand that kept the others warm. But I'm tired of being strong alone over building homes I'll never own. Still I give, still I try, still I break, still I lie, saying I'm fine.